know where this is? It is Yongdu-dong Jjukkumi in central Seoul. So one restaurant here served jjukkumi dish and it became such a big success, leading to other restaurants opening in their area, creating this jjukkumi district here. So this is jjukkumi, meaning small octopus in English. If this gets too spicy for you, there is another way to try this jjukkumi. It is milder, definitely. So you can take a sesame leaf and put on jjukkumi here. And this is called 천사채. It's mayonnaise, so it'll definitely bring down the fire in your mouth. So we had jjukkumi today. How was it? Do you think you can challenge yourself to this spiciness? Come to Yongdu-dong. Then bye!